Oh! Here's the biplane landing gear area before I cleaned it up. Alright, we got the biplane here, working on the landing gear. Got it all cleaned up, took all the old glue off of it. Got a nice flat surface to work with now. I actually did find the screw holes. And I found some fine thread screws. I wanted coarse, but I can't find any. They're about an inch, inch and a half. And then we will be using Gorilla Glue. So, cleaned up the landing gear base. Got all the glue off of that, the big chunks. Let's see. Glue is really cold, so it's taking us time to come down to the top of the bottle there. We will wet the area. Betcha that's clogged up. Oh, look, I think it's that needle that's in the lid is actually inside there. Yeah, son of a gun. Well, this will be fun. Well, I don't know how to get that out of there. I did cut my thumb. Look at that. Alright, I should be able to grab that. There it goes. See that okay? Make sure it's still facing the right direction. I'm just gonna set that there loosely and then find those holes for the screws. I'm trying to get the tripod down, sorry. Now, I think I'd like to fabricate something else. Okay, so I found a piece of sheet of aluminum days and days ago, and just cut a piece. I don't know if you guys can see how thick that is. Very flexible, but rigid. Should help. I'm just gonna stuff it in the styrofoam here underneath. Try to get it in far enough, and then stuff it back in here and then even it out. It kind of acts like a little flat brace over top of that landing gear. So I already slit some holes, some lines with the X-Acto knife. And this actually is going inside the plane right now. I don't know how I'm going to do this. now I have to bend it down and just pull that up. Bend it down as I'm sliding it into there. I try stuffing it in the other way first. Yeah, that didn't go in far at all. Alright, I think I got it. Kind of bent it down a little bit. Took it out, bent it down a little bit on this end. And this was actually helping shoving it in there. So I think it should be pretty good. I'm gonna put some glue around that. Maybe some more Gorilla Glue. Alright, I got a bunch of Gorilla Glue all over it. Kind of stuffed it down inside there. So I think that should really hold. Just practice my landings and get a little smoother. Alright guys, biplane landing gear fix. We'll take it out tomorrow after it dries. Catch you later.